I believe the front line we're gonna make it, we need almost like, let's say, between 3,500, maybe we can push this number till 4,000, okay? But to consider to not damaging your donor area or to keep it safe.
Okay.
Nice? Surgery, we're gonna be taking between 6 to 7 hours in total, okay? We're gonna have in 3 hours for the extraction, then we're gonna have in break, then we're gonna continue with the implantation. The technique we will use called DHI or Choi Pen as known in the market. So in this technique we are able to give the direction so easily, and also we can implant between your existing hair without making any kind of damage, and also the healing will be a bit more faster, I can say, according to the Sapphire technique.